Hey guys, we are now on page 273 of your math book. It is titled Multiply a Mixed Number, and they have given you the example in your math book, but instead of us looking at it and seeing the answer, it gets kind of confusing. I wanted to do it on our own first, and then we'll look in our math book. So we have a mixed number here. I wrote my mixed number kind of small there. It's going to be my whole number kind of small there. 3 times, here's my mixed number, 2 3/4. Now, whenever you're multiplying a whole number times a mixed number, you have to convert this mixed number into an improper fraction. So, for those who may have forgotten, whenever you convert a mixed number to an improper fraction, you have to make it MAD. That stands for multiply, add, and then place your denominator. So you're going to add the same denominator, okay? That's what MAD stands for. So let's change our mixed number into an improper fraction by using MAD. So we have 2 3/4. First thing you have to do is multiply. So 4 times 2 is 8. Then you have to add, that's the A. So you're going to add your 3. 8 plus 3 is 8, 9, 10, 11. So you get 11, and then you have to put the same denominator, 4. So your mixed number, 2 3/4, changed to 11/4. That is your improper fraction. So now we're going to bring down on our next step, 3 times 11/4. Whenever you're multiplying a fraction and a whole number, what this turns into being is 3 times 11, and then you put it over 4. So 3 times 11 is 33 over 4. 33/4. Now, it says reduce it in lowest terms. So guess what? You have to reduce again. So the wind comes and blows down the 33, knocks it down over there, and you divide all that by 4. 4 cannot go into 3, so that's a 0. Some of y'all like to place your zeros, some of y'all do not. I'm just going to lightly draw it to hold my place because that's 0 the hero. He comes and saves the space. 4 can go into 33. Well, let's think about that for a second. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 9 is 36. So 8 is going to be my closest. And that's going to be 32. Subtract, and you get a remainder 1. This equals 8. And then that's your numerator, that's your denominator. And 1/4. That's going to be your answer. Now, there are multiple steps to solving these problems. I understand that. That's why you don't have to do as many problems as there are posted. So we're going to work on our even numbers. All you have to do is the even numbers on page 273. I'm going to show you another example for those who need it. If you don't need it, you can go ahead and stop the video and move on to page 273, work on your even numbers. But if you want another example, here's another example. I'm going to do number 1 with you, okay? Let me check my video, make sure I have y'all on my screen. Yes, number 1. We have 2 times 1 2/3 equals blank. First thing I have to do is put my mixed number into an improper fraction. I do that by making it MAD. Multiply, 3 times 1 is 3. Add the 2, that'd be 3, 4, 5, and then put the same denominator. That's 5 over 3. It's 5/3. And then bring down your whole number. When you're doing this equals 2 times 5 over 3. That equals 10 over 3, because 2 times 5 is 10. This is an improper fraction. We have to put it back into a mixed number. So the wind comes and blows down that 10, and you divide your 3 into it. I know that 3 times 3 is 9. That's going to be the closest I'm going to get here. So we have 3. That's going to be 9. Subtract, that's a remainder 1. So my answer equals, this is my whole number, 3. Your remainder is your numerator, 1. And then you keep the same denominator, which is 3. So this is how I worked number 1 on page 273. You're going to go through on page 273 and you're going to work the even number problems. So you're going to be working problems number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. And that's all for today. If you have any problems or any questions, comment down below and I'll get you answered. Bye.